So this is what I got into in the woods. Lost a lot of footage from the rest I did there. This is just some twig, I don't know what. I will put it into this jar with water and I hope it will root. Took it out from the ice so it will grow like very quick, I think, in the warmth here. Then from the moss and stuff I gathered there, I just built this little ecosphere, built a false bottom with some rocks and some of the soil. Here's some star moss and put some twigs as hardscape. And here in the background there's some bigger plants growing. I think it will look very nice when it grows in. The glass has sadly a little bit too much structure, so you can't really see inside. I think it looks pretty nice. I hope I can get focus here. Yeah, pretty happy with this for my first project. And since I found so much stuff in the woods, I just built this little ecosphere. So there's some rocks, two different types of moss, some leaves and a stick there. This is what I built first from the stuff I gathered in the woods. So built a false bottom here as well with some rocks and some terrariums I just found somewhere in my cellar. And I think I will seal it up soon. Just put some tape around it. Here's a little jar I made. Put two different types of moss in here as well. Some sticks and some big plants here in the background. Built a false bottom here as well. Can't really see it. There's some rocks. I put some mesh over it. Looks pretty nice from the top as well. I hope it will survive. So I'll put a date on this and this will be closed. And here's just some twig I found. And I'll put it into this jar. Hope it will build some roots. And then we will see.